Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify denied. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify denied, you should just go to settings. After that we click on Spotify, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we click on Spotify, then we click on force stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Spotify music and podcasts, and you can click here update if you will find it in this blue sign to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.